I replaced the transmission in my 2009 Toyota Camry Hybrid, and it didn't fix my issue. Watch to the end to find out the simple solution that I completely missed. In today's video, we're going to be putting this inside of this.
Ooh, look at that nastiness.
Brother, what's that?
Got it out. I was dumb. There was 2 bolts on the top. Go through these, take that little cover off, and it reveals the bolt to this one, which I couldn't see. So now we're good. Holy just bottom. Hot dog, man. Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. Gonna need some WD, I bet. Hey, yo. This WD's a little sad. Don't fall off the jack stands. Oh, crud. Oh, let's go. I'm the Hulk. Look at my shaft. Whoa. All right. We got that one out. Now, we gotta go to the other one. Oh yeah. I'm Hulk. Yet again. Moment to YouTube half shaft. Alrighty, I YouTubed that sucker. There's just a carrier bearing for the half shaft. You can unbolt that and then the whole thing will just come out. Since I'm not really replacing it, I just need the whole thing out of the way. That's what I'm gonna do. Son of a biscuit. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. Get out. Oh yeah. There we go. Stinking dowels in there, so it wouldn't shift. Ah. Okay, got all the bolts removed. Just need to break the case loose. See if we can get it to separate, and I have all the motor mounts undone here. we have this all prepped out. This is the new one. We got the old one out. Things escalated quickly. I was trying to get it out without dropping the subframe. Turns out that's a must. So here's where we're at. Gonna finish prepping this out, get it on the jack, slam it up in here.
Yeah, don't know yet.
Feels better to me.
Oh yeah, it is. Oh, this is marvelous.
Should have done this to begin with.
I know. Hold on, yeah. Gotta bring it back. Okay. Push on it if you can.
Which way?
Push
Which way?
just on there. I'm just looking at it. Just hold on. Try number 2. We got a plate now.
Wait, there's a video going on?
There it
He's
is.
trying to record it. He's got to put this in there now, so you're going to slide out of the way. This is it. This is the one.
Good thing you found that plate, man.
It's like
You can eat dinner on that.
much better. Can't see, but looks great.
It's like we're professionals.
That's what I'm talking about.
Stupid things like bouncing up and hitting my knuckles.
Oh, that was ah, got it.
Three hours later.
Alrighty guys, gonna call it a night here. Got it in, made a mess. I am tired. And yeah, that was a trip.
The next day.
Alright, as you just saw there, the car is still not running well after I replaced the transmission. Did get it all wrapped up. Thought I was going to be good to go, but of course you can hear all that rattling, and the solution was pretty simple. Didn't grab it on camera, but it was the catalytic converter, which the solution was to just bust it out, which I did here, and you can see that it was very clogged. So now it is running great. This is going to be the end of the video. If you guys have made it this far, please do drop a like. I would appreciate a subscribe, and let me know how I did in the comments. Thanks. Peace out.